Welcome back to the Notary Nuggets Podcast. I'm your host, Alex, and boy, do we have a golden episode for you today. If you're driving to an appointment, preparing for your next loan signing gig, or just taking a break, stick around. You're about to dive deep into the world of notary networking communities. Now, you might be thinking, Alex, I already have my routine. Why should I bother with a network? Hold on to your stamp because this episode might just change the way you approach your career as a notary loan signing agent. First off, let's paint a scenario. Imagine you're a lone wolf, independent, fierce, and handling business all on your own. Admirable, right? Absolutely. But what if you had a pack? Imagine the power of a collective. That's precisely the essence of a notary networking community. You see, notary networking communities are incredible hubs of knowledge, support, and opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned notary or a newbie just diving in, there's always something to gain from these networks. They're the lifeblood of our industry, the espresso shot that keeps us going, caffeinated and up to date. And who doesn't like a good espresso shot? All right, let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly are notary networking communities? Think of them as social clubs, peer groups, or professional guilds specifically tailored for notaries. These communities take various forms: Facebook groups, LinkedIn pages, local meetups, professional associations, and so on. They serve as platforms where notaries can connect, share experiences, discuss best practices, and even exchange leads. One of my favorite reasons to join a notary networking community is simple: learning. The notary world is ever evolving. Laws change, new responsibilities are added, and new technologies emerge. Being part of a network means you're always in the loop. Attending local meetups, online webinars, and reading discussion threads can provide insights that you might never come across on your own. It's like swatting up for an exam, but way more fun. And hey, speaking of learning, can I get an amen for mentorship? These communities are bursting with seasoned professionals who are eager to share their wisdom. Ever found yourself scratching your head over a tricky document? Or maybe wondering how to market yourself better? Mentorship within these networks is a game changer. It's like having a backstage pass to the concert of notarial wisdom. Now let's shift gears and talk about another crucial benefit: referrals and job leads. Being a notary is often about being in the right place at the right time. By actively participating in networking communities, you instantly multiply your visibility. Whether it's a title agency looking for a reliable notary, a real estate agent needing loan documents signed ASAP, or even another notary who's overbooked and wants to pass on some gigs, these communities can be an absolute goldmine for job leads. Can I tell you a little secret about standing out in these communities? Offer value before seeking it, share insights, answer questions, and be genuinely supportive. People notice who's contributing, and it leaves a lasting impression. And then when someone posts about needing a notary, guess whose name is going to pop into their head first? You got it. Yours. Now let's not forget the digital frontier. In today's online world, your website might just be your most important tool. Networking doesn't only happen person to person anymore. Conversational marketing and website chatbots are revolutionizing the way we connect with potential clients. A friendly, intelligent chatbot on your website can engage visitors, answer FAQs, and guide them toward booking your services, even while you sleep. Those chats can turn into solid leads, and while your chatbot is working, you can focus on honing your craft. All right, another key benefit of notary networking is the camaraderie. Let's be honest, working as a notary can be a bit solitary. Sure, you interact with clients, but having a crew of peers who understand the minutiae of the job can make a world of difference for your mental health. These communities often host events, not just educational, but fun social gatherings too. It's delightful to unwind, share stories, and sometimes laugh about the absurdities we encounter. Think of it as your stress relief valve. You know, the real estate and mortgage industries are all about relationships. And that's another amazing aspect of networking communities. You get to build relationships not just within the notary world, but across the real estate spectrum. From title agencies to realtors to mortgage brokers, having a strong network means you're always just one introduction away from a massive opportunity. Before we wrap up, let me touch on the future of networking communities. AI is starting to take a seat at the table. Imagine a community app that uses AI to match you with potential mentors, peers, and even clients based on your profile and activity. We're not far off from a future where your digital network actively works to elevate your career. So folks, if you haven't joined a notary networking community yet, what are you waiting for? Hop onto Facebook, LinkedIn, or even check out local chambers of commerce. Not only will it boost your professional life, but it'll also make your journey as a notary a whole lot richer. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you found value in what you heard, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and don't forget to share with fellow notaries. And of course, let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Tell me your success stories, your funny experiences, and let's build our own vibrant community right here on the Notary Nuggets Podcast. Stay sharp, stay connected, and until next time, keep those stamps ready and those notarial spirits high. I'm Alex, signing off.